Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add SMS to your Shopify password page. Now, there are a lot of benefits of adding SMS to your password page. It helps you, it allows you to connect with your potential customers, even if you, before you launch your Shopify store. And if it's, for example, under maintenance, you are fixing something, that's really the one of the benefits of adding SMS to your Shopify password page. Now, first thing, if you want to add SMS, you want to log in into your Shopify store, of course. Now, after that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now, after that, you want to search for SMS here, and you will be able to see a lot of apps that will help you add SMS to your password page on Shopify. Now, I tried multiple apps like this color view. It's also good, but the one I like the most is Yotpo email marketing and SMS. Now this app offers a free plan. Just click on it and you want to click on install. And in the next page, you want again, let's just confirm the installation. Click again on install. Okay, so after that, it's going to take you guys directly to the website. You will be provided with a code that you can add to your Shopify theme. It's very easy to add the code. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can do this. Okay, as you can see, it says here, unleash the power of TOW, SMS, and email to your ultimate revenue boosting. As you can see, some things are just better together. Create a powerful multi-channel marketing experience that reaches every customer everywhere. Now you want to click on get started. Okay, so after guys you click on get started, it's going to take you guys directly to this website where you can create your own account here. Okay, so I already added here the username, the password here. I'm just going to come up with a password here, random password here. I'm going to choose here a strong password and then create an account. Okay, next page guys, what you need to do is you want to choose one of these. As you can see, SMS only, email only, email and SMS. So if you want to receive emails and if you want to receive email and phone numbers, you can choose this. But if you want only to receive SMS phone numbers, just click on this SMS only and then click on next. Okay, so after guys you are on this page, what you guys need to do, you want to go to your Shopify store. Okay, and you want to log into your Shopify store again, and you want to set a password. You want to add the password to your Shopify. That's really the first step. Okay, you want to click on online store and click on preferences, and you want to scroll down at the very bottom here and click on restrict access to visitors with password, and you can add the password here. Okay, if you give this password to your customers, they will be able to check your Shopify store even if it's in their maintenance or before you launch it. Okay, now as you can see guys, okay, so we have now added a password. Of course, you can use a page fly that will help you add different background images. You can also edit the password page if you want to change the background or anything like that. Okay, so after that you want to click on online store. Okay, and you want to click on customize, and here in the top here, okay, in the top where it says home page, you want to search for password. Okay, after that you want to click on password. As you can see, this is my password page. Of course, you can change the background if you want, the background image, or you can just explore free images. Okay, you can also change this text as you want. Now, as you can see, you can also change this email form. You can just remove it because we are going to replace it with the SMS form. Okay, so after that you want to click on save. After you guys you are on this page, then you want to go back to the website. Okay, now after you are on the website again, you will see your store name, and you can select here industry. I'm going to select electronics, for example, and here you want to enter your phone number. That's what I'm going to do right now. And here it says here additional email, so I'm going to add an additional email right now. If you have it, you can add it there. I'm going to add the additional email here, and here you want to add the phone number. Okay, so I'm going to add here the phone number. Okay, I'm going to add it right now. After that, you want to click on next. Okay, so after, guys, you want to click on next. It's good to take you guys to this page. Okay, so as you can see, automate your marketing, and as you can see, you want to click here, it says next. Now in the next page, you want to click here, it says I'll do this later. Okay, or you can just, for example, of course you can change, for example, multiple things here. Now I'm going to click I will do this later, and click on I will do this later. Okay, so after you are on this page, what you guys need, so after, guys, you are on this page, what you need to do, you want to click here on finish, and after that, guys, it will take you guys to the next page, and you want to click here, it says change your quiet hours to increase engagement. I'm going to click on not now. Okay, so here it says campaigns, you want to click on campaigns here, and after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to search for embed form, but if you cannot find it here in there like campaigns, you want to click on audience here, as you can see, and you want to click here. After you click on audience, just scroll down a little bit. As you can see, it says here boost sign up by using at least 3 of our tools across your marketing channels. Now as you can see here, you will be able to find embed form. As you can see, you want to click on set it up. Okay, and okay, so after you are on this page, you can change the background color so that it can match your own theme color on Shopify. So I'm going to change it. In my case, I'm going to change it to green color. Okay, you can also change the font size if you want to do that here, and you can also change the line height. Okay, and letter spacing, you can change. I'm going to change it to 2. And here VIP, as you can see, you can change the header text from this be a VIP and join our text marketing newsletter. You can change it to anything you want. Okay, so after you change this as you want, click on publish, and then you want to click again on publish, and there will be a code that will be provided to you right now. Just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is the code. Okay, now you want to click here, you will give you like multiple options here. You want to click on pages. Okay, and then you want to copy this code. Okay, make sure you highlight all the code. Okay, just copy the whole code and right click and click copy. Now you want to go to your own Shopify store, and you want to click on customize. Okay, click on online store and click on customize. Again, you just need to go to the password page. Okay, here in the top, as you can see, you want to search again for password. Okay, now this is my password page. Now you want to click on add section here, and you want to search for custom liquid. Okay, this is custom liquid. After that, you want to click on custom liquid, and you want to paste the code here. Ctrl V or right click and click on paste. After that, you want to click on save. Okay, now after that, you can just open your Shopify store in a new browser and see if this works. Okay, now I'm going to open my own Shopify store on another browser, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see, we have added SMS, as you can see, to our password page. Now people can choose their country, and you can add their phone number. So like I said, if you want to see your subscribers, you just need to click here on audience, and you want to click on lists and segments, and here you will be able to find all your subscribers. If you want to send like text to your subscribers, you just need to click on campaign, and you want to click on create campaign, and you want to select here SMS or email or multi-message, and click on create campaign. As you can see, maximize results with SMS campaigns. You can either collect subscribers, or you can create a campaign here. Click on create campaign. You can just name this whatever you want, new campaign. Okay, and here you can then select all your subscribers here. Okay, then after that, you just need to type here exactly what you want them to receive. Okay, here you can just add anything you want here. Like first name, it will be added automatically. The site name automatically, the site or URL. You just need to add here the text to your like customers. Okay, after that, you want them to click on send. Okay, or preview campaign, as you can see here. Now you can also change the select date and time where you want your customers to receive the missed text from you. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please drop a like if you have any. If you drop a like, that will be highly appreciated. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.